Hello friends, my name is Praveen Burji. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video I am going to explain the definition of sphere and the equation of sphere. So without delay, let's get started.
The sphere. Sphere is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. Let us take a fixed point. This is a fixed point and this is the point moves in such a way that its distance from the fixed point is always constant. This fixed point is called as the center of the sphere, whereas the fixed distance is called as the radius of the sphere. Let us see the figure. From this figure, we see that the sphere is a three-dimensional which has three axes. The first one is x axis, the second one is y axis and third one is z axis. Then the fixed point, this is the fixed point which is called as the center of the sphere, and the fixed distance, this distance is called as the radius of the sphere. So please remember, the fixed point is called as the center of the sphere and the fixed distance is called as the radius of the sphere. Let us study the different forms of the sphere. The different forms of the sphere or equations of sphere are: first one, standard form; second, central form; third, general form; and fourth, diameter form. Now we can see the different forms of the sphere in detail one by one. Standard form of the sphere. In case of standard form of the sphere, we have to show that the equation of the sphere whose center is at origin and radius r, which is given by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Let us see the figure. In this figure, let us take a point on the sphere. Let p into bracket x comma y comma z be any point on the sphere. Let O be the center of the sphere whose value is origin, that is 0, 0, 0. Now join OP. Then the distance OP is called the radius of the sphere. Let P into bracket x comma y comma z be any point on the sphere, and capital O into bracket 0, 0, 0 be the center of the sphere. Join OP. Then the distance OP is called the radius of the sphere, and we can also write it as OP is equal to R. This distance OP can be obtained by using distance formula. In this distance formula, we have to substitute the value for x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. For this, let us consider center as first point, that is x1 y1 and z1, and we have to consider point P as the second point, that is x2 y2 and z2. So you have to substitute the value for x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 in the distance formula. We get, that is square root of you have to substitute the value for x2 as x, x1 as 0, so that you will get x2 minus x1 means x minus 0 whole square. Now in second bracket means you have to substitute the value for y2 as y and y1 as 0, then you will get y minus 0 whole square, that is y2 minus y1 whole square, plus at last you have to substitute the value for z2 as z and z1 as 0, so that you will get z minus 0 whole square, and right hand side write down r as it is. Now we have to eliminate the square root, and to eliminate the square root we have to square on both the sides. Squaring on both sides, if you square the left hand side, the root get cancels, so that you will get this x minus 0 whole square. X minus 0 whole square is nothing but x square, plus this y minus 0 whole square you will get y square, plus z minus 0 whole square you will get it as z square, and squaring on both the sides means if you square the right hand side you will get r square. So this is the equation of sphere in standard form, where center is at origin and radius r. Find the equation of sphere whose center is at origin and radius is 4. To solve this, I will draw a sphere where this is the center of the sphere, which is at origin, that is O. And given that the radius of this sphere, that is equal to 4. So we have to solve this example by using standard form, where in case of standard form we have to find the equation of the sphere whose center is at origin and radius is r. So here given that center, that is 0 0 0 and radius r is equal to 4, given center is equal to 0, 0, 0, that is origin, and radius r is equal to 4. Therefore,
by using standard form. Just you have to substitute the value of r. We get that is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 square, or we can also write it as 16. This is the required equation of the sphere whose center is at origin and radius 4. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then subscribe my channel and share. See you in the next video.